Theodore, I can't solve my Rubik's Cube. Wait, you can't solve it? No. Why are you asking me to solve it? Because you're like the smartest one in the world. So just solve it. Okay. Okay. I'm getting it ready. You can look back now. Okay, what? Got it already. Well, that one was probably too easy. What is he doing? How is Theodore keep on doing that? I want to mix it up. Aha, I bet you can't fix that one. Theodore. What is it? I messed up my Rubik's Cube again. Let me solve it. Okay, I'm done. Wait, what? How? I'm a genius. So, here's a Rubik's Cube back. Whoa. Oh, no. I want to mix it up a big way. I know exactly how. Hey, Theodore. Solve this one. Okay. He's never gonna solve this one. I'm done. What? How? How are you doing this? How are you doing this magic? Ah! Okay. Okay, I got it done. So I solved that one now. Ha ha! Yes, he's never gonna solve it. Ha, you're never gonna solve that one. That one is super hard. I'm done. Oh, let's see. How are you doing this? How? Oh, I need to get somebody else that knows how to solve these. Okay. Derp, can you solve this? Oh, he's never gonna solve it. Oh, you're. Never mind. You suck at these. I'll be back any second. I knew it. Wait, what? No, never mind. I mixed it up. Derp mixed it up. You trusted Derp with a Rubik's Cube? Do you seriously think you will be able to solve that? No. Just solve it. It's magic how he does this kind of stuff. There you go. I solved it. You're amazing at these things. Well, I grew up doing them. I did like everybody's. I could solve a 4x4, a 2x2, a 5, and a 5x5. Oh, jeez. Okay. Can you try to mix it up so I'll have to solve it? Let's see. Okay, I don't think I'm done. Oh, you are? What? Oh. Where's the other one? Where is it? Just wait until one just pops up right. Oh, no, where is it? No. You actually solved it? Just one side. How could you mess up this? Well, oh, I don't think I could solve this. But you can't do it with your magic? Nope. Oh. That's why you shouldn't mess up your Rubik's Cubes, kids. Hope you guys enjoyed that, Piggy Toons. Short. Yeah, it sucks. I messed up my Rubik's Cube. Or just shake it. I don't care about that thing anymore. Jeez. Hold on. Never mind. I want it back.